Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add Raspberry Pi 2 to the Proteus. So here you can see the library files. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. Open it and here you can see the library files. Open this folder and now select all the files and copy these. Now go to this desktop. From here you can see the Proteus icon. Right click on it and then go to open file location. So in this way you can locate the library folder. Go one step back to the main folder of Proteus 7 and here you can see the library folder. Open it and paste all these files. So here you can see the library files of Raspberry Pi 2 are pasted here. Close it and now open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again. So it will load the new libraries. Now from here search for Raspberry Pi 2. So here you can see the Raspberry Pi 2. Click on it, double click it. And now click on OK. Place it here and now zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see the pins. You can connect the power, ground and everything with it. So this was the method of how to add Raspberry Pi 2 to the Proteus. Library files are available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.